Hello guys, how are you? In this video, I will show you a new tool that is out there for free that was created by none other than Jose Quiles of the YouTube channel iScaleEtsy. He's been building a lot of new tools and softwares using by coding, and this is one of the latest creations of him that is called iScaleEtsy. I will leave a link in the description. You can use it for free. The only thing that you have to do is to sign in, okay? This website is very useful because it's constantly scanning Etsy and looking for results or products that have been selling lately in the last days. For example, you can sort here by recent, demand, reviews, first review, price, favorites, and you can go to a product, cards, views, selling fast, etc. And you even have some filters here and some filters here. Okay, here you put t-shirt, for example. They're looking for only t-shirt. Let's start searching.
How to use iScaleEtsy.
For example, here I will go, for example, recent, and the one I like a lot is in cards. Here, for example, you see it has, for example, this in 20 cards 10 hours ago. This one 11 hours ago. So you see, it gives you only products that are trendy or in cards or selling. Okay, for example, you can start scrolling here if you find something that got your attention, a phrase, an art style, a design. Okay, but the way that I have most success with this and instant sales is putting here first review. This means that its first review of the product it was recently, so it was recently sold. Okay, and here I put selling fast. Okay, so this is the best way to find fresh trending niches or designs that are not so popular or with so many competition. Okay, for example, if I scroll here, I see the rabbit Easter. 3 people bought this in the last 34 hours. Okay, this is more like a PNG bundle. This design I like. This is my customized. This is for Irish. I'm looking for something that is an evergreen, not something that will last like a week or two, or for example, St. Patrick's Day is gonna end like in 3 weeks. So something that I can sell all year long. Okay, this is interesting, but it's St. Patrick's Day. This also, but I've seen this before, has sold 3 times in the last 34 hours. This one is interesting also, a simple design. Okay, this one also I like. For example, let's say that I pick this one. I like it because it have the Howling at the Moon style, mixing it up with the smoking animals. Okay, it's a clever design. Let's say I like this. I take a snapshot of this. I had, how can I use this? I was thinking of this way. For example, if you have a lot of lots in merchant demand and you can upload a lot of designs, this is a very clever way to use. Or even for Etsy, or even Creative Fabrica. Okay, here I will go to Gemini. For example, here I will put my image. I will put Pro and I put describe in detail over solid black background. Aspect ratio is a 1:1. Okay, let's see the description. It's thinking. Okay, here's a detailed description. Okay, then I will copy this and go also Gemini, and I will put create with the new Gemini fast. You don't have to put Pro now. You can use fast or Pro if you want, but fast gives very good results. Okay, let's see a result. Now it takes like half the time of before. It's improved. Okay, I like this. Then I will download this. It's a very cool design. I like it a lot. And then I will open it on Photoshop. You can also go to Photopea, and I even think that in Canva you can do this to delete the Gemini icon. For this, I use this remove tools. There you go, and you go like this, very easy. Okay, remove. Also, I will do this, like pick up the background color, pick up the pencil here or the brush, and I want go like this to take a little bit these dots, so it will be easier to remove background then. Okay, now I will save this, and then I will take this image and we'll go to Mixboard. I have talked before about Mixboard, but this is a very nice way to pick a trending design and make the most of it. Okay, you go to Mixboard. I will leave this link in the description. I think this is free also. You have to just sign in. Okay, we could get started. New project. I pick up my image, put it here. It uploads. Sometimes you have to refresh. It gets stuck. Okay, I will refresh. Here we go. Got my image, and I created a prompt for this. I will say you can paste it if you want, or create any other prompt. That's even better. You go here, and it says make that similar, but with different cute popular dog breeds. Same art style, solid black background, no shadow, aspect ratio 4:5. You can even do 1:1. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, let's see this. I like it, but not that much. I like it, but not that much. You see, it gave me the results. They work, but I don't like it that much. This one is better. What I will do here, I will delete this, and to make the example for you, I will pick another design because I didn't like the results. Okay, just for you. But for example, if I like this one that I have seen is trending, the one with the beanie, that's the hat, I will take a pic of this. Let's see if it worked like this. I will open again my Mixboard. Okay, new project, and I will include the design here. Let's see if we get better results now. Solid white background because the background is lighter. Okay, let's see what we get here. I hope it works. Okay, here we have the results. I think this is better. You see, like in one click, we get 10 new results. For this example, with 10 new dogs. This one I like a lot. I will download. This one I like also. This one not so much because it had the ear. Anyway, yeah, it can work. You have to delete this. This one I like a lot. You have to remove this canvas, this frame, I mean. This one I like a lot. I like the face. This one also is cute. You have to remove here. This one also. This Yorkie is very funny. It's cute. Okay. This works very fine. This is better. Okay. You can even put 10 more, for example, if you wanna keep looking for the ones you like. You see, it's very fast and very good quality. Okay, this is even better. Look at this great result. Okay, you can then go download it at Chihuahua, but it's very trendy. You download it. Look at this, very nice. You download and you prepare it for upload in the platform that you use, Merge, Redbubble. I don't care, anything. Okay, hope you like this new video. I hope you can use this new awesome tool built by Jose Quiles to find trendy designs and scale it. For example, you can scale this one. There's a very trendy type of t-shirt design, and you do the same. You take the snapshot of this, recreate the image because it is with this text over it, and then you can cut 10 new dogs smoke coming a beer in just a click, and then make the process much faster. Okay? Hope you like this new video. Please write me in the comments what you think, what you would like to see in the next video, and see you in the next one. Bye.